Okay, so what if we're told that we have to turn the number 150,000 into scientific notation? What are they talking about there? Well, scientific notation, if you remember, takes some number, right, let's call it A, and multiplies it by a power of 10. So let's say 10 to the B power. Now, the basic rules of scientific notation to be officially in the form is that this first number, A, it has to be less than less than 10. It can't be equal to 10, and it has to be greater than or equal to 1. So it's kind of in between that range there. And here you have to use a base of 10, and the exponent, right, is typically a positive or negative, right, real number. So really there are very few restrictions here on B. It can be pretty much be any positive or negative rational number. And I guess we could use irrational numbers and other types of numbers in there, but typically you'll see a rational number there. Anyway, so that means that to do this, to turn this number into scientific notation, the first thing I do is I place a decimal point somewhere in the number to make something that's between 1 and 10. So I put it right here. By doing that, I essentially have turned 150,000 into 1.5, and I'm almost done. Now, you don't want to change the number. This number should still represent 150,000, but I've rewritten it into a tiny number, 1.5. So the question is, what do you have to multiply 1.5 by to get 150,000? Well, we move the decimal point from here over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. We've made it, right, 100,000 times smaller, this number, from 150,000 to 1.5. So to keep it balanced, we have to make it 100,000 times bigger. In other words, multiply 1.5 times 10 to the fifth. All right, thanks.